Greetings from Radhakrishna. We are doing Bridgital Nation chapter videos. There are totally 40 chapters and the Bridgital Nation is written by Tatas. How do we bridge the rural and urban, the needs and aspirations and the problems and challenges? What are the various solutions? Bridgital means not just technology, reimagination of the process and a trained people. That's what the Bridgital is. We looked at various characters in the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a real-time scenarios we have picked up. In the 5th chapter, the great medical migration. In this great medical migration, what we are going to discuss is how the cities are flooded with patients and why they are coming all the way to the cities, why they are not able to take the healthcare at the rural or towns at a district level or at a state level, why everybody has to come to the Hyderabad or Bombay. So that is one biggest medical migration problem that we are going to discuss in this chapter. What people feel, they feel either they have a basic healthcare or they have a large multi-specialty hospital. They don't think a midway. They don't absolutely think a midway. That is what this chapter discussed about. Okay, and the kind of economic growth in India is really good, but the healthcare facility is not catching up. That is another problem. And tuber related challenges in 2016, this specific book is talked about in 2016, some specific tuber related tuberculosis kind of problem which has really ramped up certain villages. Okay, but we were not able to solve the problem during that situation. It has taken some time. And what is happening, what most of the doctors and economy leaders feel, Indian healthcare system is overburdened and underfunded. Underfunding is one of the challenges. How much our funds we pour, it looks like that is not sufficient. The another challenge, any problem, people go to the nearby senior friend or a senior patient or a local healers, okay, rather than going to the trained doctor. Now the another question is, if a trained doctor is available in a village or in rural places or in a town, why don't they go? They always travel all the way to the cities to meet the doctors. And what Tata says, the Tata Memorial Center in Mumbai, when they looked at the 75,000 patients, on average, each patient traveled 1,000 kilometers for a cancer treatment. Is cancer treatment not available? Is another question mark that we need to answer. So how can you make this cancer treatment available at every place? Can we bridge? Is what the solution is expected from the book. At the same time, All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, they see 9,000 patients every day, and it looks like some patients comes with a normal fever or a high temperatures. Now, why should the patient burden such a large organization with a simple fever? Can they not go to the nearby hospital and a primary service, okay, and solve the problem? So the migration, how do we stop the migration? If we don't stop this great migration, we will continue to face the challenges of hospitals overburdened and we feel there are less doctors. But some hospitals also quote cities are actually spreaded with large number of doctors and the doctors are not available in rural. Yes, that is a problem which one has to solve. We look forward into the next chapter and what kind of problems we see and how they are solving the challenges. Thank you, Radhakrishna.